Hello everyone. New product launches are frequent again. So, what do we have in our hands today? Let's take a look. The packaging for this little King Kong handheld from Laozhang is really beautiful. He started making DIY handhelds back in 2019, and now, 7 years later in 2026, he refers to it as a belated gift, which truly shows the immense care put into all of this packaging. And there's quite a bit more information in here and other things. So the two products come in two different colors. Let's check them out. First, we open the top. Then, once it's open, we can clearly see the main body of the device right there. Let's take out both of these devices and set them aside for now. Upon removing the devices, we observe that the packaging box contains quite substantial anti-collision components within it. Once removed, the manual is a scannable card. Below that is the certificate of conformity, which includes warranty information and more. And here's a data cable. Let's see. This time, the cable is a Type-C to A cable. So those are just some simple accessories. Alright then, let's now take a look at the device body itself. Let's take a look at the device body. This one is a black and silver device, and this one is an all-black device. Let's put these two units side by side for you to see. Personally, I find both devices quite attractive. Some might prefer the sleek, all-black design, and they may have a point. The overall craftsmanship makes it feel incredibly robust, truly robust, and exceptionally premium. It's entirely made of metal. So let's take a closer look now. On the top, you'll find the L1, L2, R1, R2 buttons, then a home button, a function key, a menu key, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a C port, and an output port. At the bottom is a TF card slot and the speaker. On the side, there's a lanyard hole, power, and volume keys. On the front, the D-pad is on top and the joystick is below it. And that's the left side. Then on the right are the A, B, X, Y, and this time all the buttons are metallic, including even this metal joystick cap. The metal joystick cap feels really good. It's so smoothly polished, it glides very comfortably. As for the buttons overall, I personally think the A, B, X, Y buttons are excellent, with a strong rebound. The D-pad, personally I feel because it's metal, it's a bit heavy, but the directionality should be. Laozhang should have tuned it well. He's always been good at making D-pads with great precision for fighting games and such, so there shouldn't be any problems. Furthermore, the L1 and R2 buttons on the top have been designed with a slight elevation. They feel very responsive, easily triggered with a light press. Same goes for the R2. This slightly raised design might make it a bit more comfortable to operate. Having discussed the black model, let's now consider the silver one. Some users find the silver a bit coarse, but for us, it actually offers greater DIY possibilities. This is because its silver edge is perfect for laser engraving designs. This isn't feasible with the black model, as its dark color would likely result in a poor engraving effect. However, the silver model has no such issue. You can easily perform laser engraving all around its circumference. And the same is true for their backs. Let's take a look at the back side. The back. So it's obvious the back of the black one has a protective film on it, but this one doesn't. It's already been applied for you. Oh, this piece is directly attached already. This glass panel and the front panel both come with a screen protector already applied from the factory, so you don't have to apply one yourself, which can be a real hassle. But the black one still has its film. If you remove it, you can just put a new one on. See? Similarly, the silver device also has all metal buttons and joysticks. I personally find this joystick quite comfortable. The D-pad would be more comfortable if it were a multi-directional one. For fighting games, I just don't think this D-pad will quite cut it, especially when compared to the fully multi-directional type, you know? But Laozhang's tuning is always pretty good, so I can't really judge it without turning it on. So that concludes our unboxing demo of Laozhang's Little King Kong handheld. So we won't power it on just yet. We'll wait for Laozhang to launch this machine, then we'll do a power on demo. Overall, between this device's black and silver options, which do you prefer? They both truly look fantastic. So, if you want a clean, all-in-one look, then black is the obvious choice. But if you're hoping to do some modding or DIY theme designs, then I think the silver one is also an excellent device for that. Similarly, both these machines are all metal and the craftsmanship is evident. So, which one do you like? That's it for this unboxing. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.